Hello, fellow foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of irresistible stir-fry with our sweet chili noodles. Picture this, tender noodles dancing in a symphony of sweet and spicy flavors. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this mouth-watering journey. Before we embark on our stir-fry adventure, let's gather our ingredients. To make sweet chili sauce. 3 tablespoons sweet chili sauce. 1 tablespoon ketchup. 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar. 1.5 tablespoons runny honey. 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil. 1/2 tablespoon sriracha. 1 Tbsp Chinese 5 spice. 350 grams of raw king prawns, peeled and deveined. 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil. 1/2 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 Tbsp mild chili powder. 1 tablespoon groundnut oil. 150 grams of tender stem broccoli chopped. 2-3 carrots thinly sliced. 2 bell pepper chopped. 10-15 grams of ginger thinly sliced. 4 servings of egg noodles. Cook egg noodles as per packet instructions, drain and set aside. In a medium bowl, mix together sweet chili, ketchup, dark soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, runny honey, sesame oil, sriracha and Chinese 5 spice. In a separate bowl, coat the king prawns in the sesame oil, dark soy sauce and chili powder. Heat the groundnut oil in a large frying pan and sauté the garlic, on medium heat for 2 minutes. Add broccoli, carrots, peppers and ginger and stir fry, on high heat, for 3-4 minutes. Add the king prawns and cook for 2 minutes, until pink all over, then mix in the noodles and sweet chili sauce. Garnish with spring onions, chopped nuts and sriracha mayonnaise. And there you have it. Your sweet chili noodles are ready to be devoured. If you're ready to whip up a stir-fry spectacle, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy this flavorful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!